Just burnt my neck off. Y'all, let me tell you something. We did. Yeah, okay. And if y'all know what I said, y'all know what I said. Anyways, y'all, it's been a long time coming, but I know. Okay, so welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. That's all I'm gonna say because, like, anyways, as y'all read by the title, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to crimp your hair in 10 minutes. Should I do 5? Should I do 5 minutes? But it's not gonna take 5 minutes because, like, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's like 10 minutes. I'm gonna show y'all how to crimp your hair in 10 minutes. Because if you got somewhere to go, you gotta crimp your hair like in 10 minutes. But I'm not gonna show y'all right now. I'm gonna show y'all in like an hour or two because it's 1:34. And I'm gonna like, okay, but I'm gonna start getting ready like at like 2 o'clock. So exactly at 2 o'clock on the dot, I'm gonna start like crimping my hair and stuff like that. So like at 2:10 we gonna be done, I think. We gonna pray. So yeah, I'm gonna do how to crimp your hair in 10 minutes. Period. Period. Alright, I'll be back. Oh, what I've been up to. What I've been up to? You asked me what I've been up to? I've been working. I got a vlog dropping before this video. My little trip with my bestie. Period. Yeah, I look a mess and I'm just still talking. Like, still talking. Because I don't care. I don't care. Take your vitamins though. Like, take your vitamins. I just took a lot. I've been MIA. 2023, we are like staying consistent with YouTube, even if it's just like a little clip. Like, we're staying consistent. Like, we're doing our like for real, like that's what we're doing. Like, anyways, but I'm gonna go, maybe I should go edit this video. Maybe I should, and maybe I should go post it. Maybe I should do that too. But anyways, y'all, I'll be back because I don't even know if this video gonna get finished or not. Okay, y'all, so it's 2:01. It's 2:01 now. It's 2:01. I'm gonna go like, hold on, why is this cookie? It's 2:01. I'm gonna go use the bathroom and shit. And then I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so we still good on timing. It's 2:03 now, so we about to turn on the crimper. I got this from Dollar General. I have the crimper and I have the flat iron and I have the blow dryer. Why are you knocking?
It was locked.
You could have just said hello.
I did.
And then you kept knocking.
You still talk to that Slim Jim?
I don't know. Go look in the white bag.
Okay.
Don't eat nothing else. Anyways, so like I was saying. But yeah, I got like this brand. This brand right here. I know you can't really see the words, but I think it's like Connier or something like that. I have everything, like the blow dryer, the flat iron, the crimper. That's just it for now. But we're gonna put this be on turbo. See that green button? That's turbo. So it's gonna get really hot really fast. Like really hot really fast. Period. Mind up. Okay, let's get this show popping. See, look, this been already hot. Like, come on now. Alright. I said, oh, so I'm scared. No, I just never do edges right there. Maybe I should start. I will one day, but not today. Not today. Why the edge on this side so long? See, I don't know how to do hair for real, y'all. I really don't. Why is it spraying like that? Don't melt my comb. I put the comb in the thing. Anyways, so. Oh, this is gonna hurt my head. I'm gonna end up with a headache. We're gonna actually start crimping at 2:10. Actually, we're gonna start crimping now. It's 2:08. Yeah, it's 2:08. get to crimping. So we just gonna part it down the middle, section it. It's already heat protector in my hair. I don't put heat protector in my hair every time I'm about to like put heat on it because it's still something in my hair from the last time. Like when you put too much, your hair gets stiff. You see how just like come on now, BFFR. But yeah, I don't have like clips or anything, so I'm gonna have to use the comb method like that. Okay, so we take the brush. We actually, come on y'all, let's get this show on the road. We gonna do like 15 seconds a spot. Oh, I just burnt my neck. Oh, fuck. I just burnt my neck. No. Bro, what the heck? Bro, what the heck? I'm over this already. I'm showing y'all how to crimp your hair in 10 minutes. 10 minutes, maybe 5, because like I'm that good at what I do. But yeah, 10 minutes, maybe 5. So I know I gotta talk to y'all while I do that. Questions. Questions. It literally just say questions. Okay, first question. If you are in a bad mood, do you prefer to do alone or be with someone that's gonna cheer you up? It actually depends. Cause like me personally, I'm always in a bad mood. So sometimes when I go to work, it be people that like cheer me up, you know, sometimes, and then sometimes people that get on my nerves. But it's fine though, because it's funny. Like, I don't know though, but it actually depends. It depends. Okay, so next question. Who is the one person you tell everything to? It's either my mom or Nisha. That's about it. That's it. And if you're not them and I don't tell you everything, it's for a reason. It's for a reason. Literally. How long is as long as you have feelings for someone? I would say about maybe a couple months. Maybe a couple months. I lose interest really fast. So like if you do something and it turns me off, that's it. Like that's a done deal. Like, cause like why are you doing that? Why are you being like that? Like, what are you doing? This is gonna take a little minute. Like, y'all, it's already 2:12. When did we start? Huh? Let's get it poppin'. I'm about to crimp this side of my hair. It's 2:12. In the next clip, I'm gonna go do the other side, okay? Okay, so I've gotten this far. Like, this is all I got right now. So I know I said 10 minutes, but I lied. It's gonna be like maybe 15, 20. But I do my front separate. Like I do it in like 3 sections, like 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna do that right now. I don't know how I feel about this. Why does that piece look like that? See what we talking about? That's this side. I don't know how I feel about it. Let's just do the other side and see how we. But y'all, timing is not okay. It actually took me 3 minutes to do this one part. But it's 2:19, so I'm just gonna finish crimping my hair. Yeah, and I'll be back when it's done. Cute on this camera right here, but not that one. This one though is the pop. What time is it? It's 2:38. What's the equation? I don't know. But anyways, okay. Y'all, so I'm back. My hair did not turn out how I wanted it to. So I have brushed it out. It's not really giving, but when I go to work, it's gonna give. So yeah, nothing major, nothing major. I'm also on TikTok live, and hold on, why can't I could never, hold on, fucking L. Okay. Whew. That felt really good. Anyways. We gotta get the hot comb and do something about this here. And, but I mean, I think great. No. I feel like a whole different person when I have my burgundy hair. It's just like different. Like, I don't know. It is y'all, look what time it is. It's 2:40. I was trying to show y'all how to crimp your hair in 10 minutes, but it turned into like 30 minutes. But we're not gonna talk about that. This video is gonna equal up to like 10 minutes, so who gives a fuck? Anyways, thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, all that.